Hello, this is a video of my van. It's a Volkswagen Routon 2010. I have hand controls installed that allow me to drive with my hands and not my feet. This is the Volkswagen 2010 Routon. I just got it. We got the ramp was already installed. So we got the driving chair fixed. Took about 3 pushes for me to get up here. I love it because it's all open up here. And we have the driver's seat and the passenger seat. I kind of did a cute little rug there. And then my dream catcher. But the driver's seat is lifted very high because it has a remote. And you see, it goes forwards, backwards, down, up, left, right. Please comment below on what type of video you'd like to see from me next. Thanks for watching. Bye.